Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video, we're going to draw chili. Alright, let's jump to the paper together. Okay, alright, we will draw like many chili, maybe like 4 or 3. So let's jump to the paper. So at the beginning, I need you to make like this shape. So like you can start from here, like this, and then this one. Right, so this one also go like this, then from here you can go like this. All right, then connect to this side. Now you have this shape already, then you can take care the branch of the chili. So usually you start from here, so from here like 1 2 like this guys. So yet can go like that. Then after that you can make another chili. I think I will make a big one. So this one is usually the big one, like red color, right? So like this all the way down like this, right? Then can go from here all the way down like this, right? Then you connect this to this. Okay, after that you can go like this. So from here like 1 2 3, yes, correct. After that you can give a branch. So from here or here is up to you. I think here is better. From here go like this. All right, okay guys, then I think I will get another one, the chili. I think we can go the chili with the small one. I guess I can make chili. The next one is here, I guess, right? Let's go here, the small one like this, then you can go like this. Alright, then it's the same thing, like 1 2 3, then you have like this. Alright guys, okay, I think 3 is enough. Then I will go to the next part, the fun part. We need to give expression. So I will start with this big chili. So 1 here, then here. Then after that I will give some like mud, like a smiley mud like this, like oh wow, something like that, right? So this one is looking to the other chili, so I will put other circle here. So then you just give a black color here, right? Nice one, right? Okay, then also here. Okay, all right. After that you can go with the other expression here. So small eyes like this, then small eyes like this, and you can give like this one. You might be looking to the big one, so like this, and then circle, more circle like this. Okay, then this one is maybe like who, something like that. All right, then after that the last expression here like this, and then like this. This one is of course looking to this side, so I will give circle over here, like then it's the same here. And this one maybe the mud will be like smiley mud, like all right. Okay guys, this is the chili. Then I will coloring and then speed up the video. You guys can follow the video. All right, let's go. Alright guys, this is the result of the chili, and hope you guys learned this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.